Hey creators, what is up? Is me, Pretty Crafty, and I am back to show you guys how I created these cups. I don't believe in wrapping the whole cup, especially if they are the color of your party theme, so I created these wraps instead and added detail to the cups. Now this is my first AI princess that I created using AI, and I had so much fun with it, so I can't wait to create more characters. So let's get into how easy it is to put these cups together. Okay, get your favorite color cups, your Barely Art Glue, your gold foil flakes. I used a little makeup brush to apply it, and here is the wrap that you will be getting in your file for the first 10 who hit me up. You know, just shoot me an email, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And here she is again, looking so beautiful. So okay, so this is what I'm going to use to attach the wrap, and remember the sides pointing up goes wrapped around the cup, not down, up. Okay, so I'm just going to take some hot glue and apply both sides, one piece at a time, like so. And then I'm just going to press this down for a second to make sure it sticks. And then I'm just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And remember, the points go up, not down, so it could wrap around your cup the correct way. Press down. Now I did use the white embossed cardstock with the little dots. I bought it like this when the paper was on sale, 3 for $10 from Joann's. I believe the sale is over with now. Okay, so I'm gently going to press down on here. And now what I'm going to do is stick my AI princess. I'm so proud of her. She came out so pretty. I'm going to just use some 3D dots and put her on the background that I did an offset in silver to give her a little more pop. But I created her, they created a lot of different curly hairstyles for me, a lot of different dresses, and she came out absolutely adorable. I love all of the images I created, so I'm having fun with that. So now I'm just gonna stick her on the back with this other glue dot. And it's that simple, you guys, to create something just to make your dessert table, your parties, your events, your clients' creations stand out more for them. This is really cute and delicate. And now I'm going to just sit this here and get my Barely glue and apply it on each side. And I'm gonna do it like in a drizzle form, as you can see, at the top corner and then at the bottom corner, just a little. And I'm going to take my gold foil flakes. You could get these from Hobby Lobby. I believe Joann sell them, as well as Michael's. And you could order it on Amazon. I would put the link below for you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a few, and you could add as little and as much as you want. And as you add it, you could always take a little off if you feel like it's too much on. Just along with your brush, scrape a little off. And I'm gonna repeat the same process below. It's that easy. This adds just a little more personal detail to your cups or any creation. So I do love using these for a variety of creations that I do make. And I'm just going to pat, pat, pat like that. And we are done. Look, that's all it takes to add beautiful detail to your creations. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you would love this template. The first 10 people will be receiving it. You know how I do. So until next time, guys, go create and be great. Love you.